beneath the glittering skyline of Shanghai lies a secret world, an oasis of creativity and expression hidden in plain sight. This secret world is a testament to Shanghai's hidden art scene, a place where the modern and the historical dance in a harmonious ballet of colors, textures and forms. The allure of this scene is in its mystery, its ability to remain concealed amidst the city's ceaseless bustle. It's as if the very walls of the city are whispering tales of an artistic revolution, a vibrant testament to the city's cultural diversity. This is a world in which art is not just seen but felt. A world where every brushstroke tells a story. Every sculpture reveals a secret. It's a place where historical traditions meet contemporary expression, crafting a unique blend that is quintessentially Shanghai. Join us on a journey as we wander through the labyrinth of Shanghai's hidden galleries, where art and culture come alive. Our journey commences at Moganshan Road, the beating heart of Shanghai's art scene. Once the epitome of urban decay, this former industrial area has undergone a remarkable transformation. Its grimy, factory-lined streets have evolved into a vibrant tapestry of culture and creativity. The old warehouses, once filled with the hum of machinery, now echo with the voices of artists and enthusiasts alike. One warehouse in particular has become an art powerhouse, a beacon of creativity that draws in people from all walks of life. Within its walls, the mundane is turned into the extraordinary, the ordinary into the unforgettable. This is a place where creativity knows no bounds, where the imagination is set free to roam and explore the countless possibilities of artistic expression. This is Moganshan Road, a testament to the power of transformation and the enduring spirit of art. But remember, this is just the start. The art scene of Shanghai has much more to offer. Next, we delve into the narrow lanes of Tianzifang, a hidden enclave of creativity. Nestled within the bustling metropolis of Shanghai, this charming district is a labyrinth of small galleries, studios and shops, each teeming with artistic inspiration. Picture a maze-like atmosphere, brimming with the scent of fresh paint and the soft hum of creative endeavor. Tianzifang is a treasure trove for art enthusiasts, offering a diverse range of art from the traditional Chinese pieces that echo the country's rich history to contemporary pieces that push the boundaries of creativity. Here one can witness the seamless fusion of past and present, where old Shikumen architecture houses cutting-edge art studios. It's a place where antique shops stand side by side with modern cafes, where traditional Chinese crafts meet innovative design ideas. This coexistence of the old and the new is what gives Tianzifang its unique charm and appeal. Tianzifang, a testament to Shanghai's ability to preserve the old while embracing the new. We now venture into West Bund, the contemporary art hub of Shanghai. Once an industrial zone, West Bund has undergone a significant transformation. The factories and warehouses of yesteryears have been replaced by a vibrant and bustling contemporary art district. It's a testament to Shanghai's ability to adapt and evolve, to breathe new life into the old and create a space where creativity can flourish. West Bund is now home to a multitude of international galleries, each one a beacon of artistic expression and innovation. They serve as a platform for artists, both established and emerging, to showcase their work to a global audience. Moreover, West Bund plays host to numerous art fairs throughout the year. These events attract art enthusiasts from all corners of the globe, making it a hotbed of cultural exchange and dialogue. West Bund, a symbol of Shanghai's thriving contemporary art scene. As we conclude our journey, we leave with a deeper understanding of the art scene hidden beneath the surface of Shanghai. Our exploration took us from the graffiti-drenched walls of Moganshan Road to the labyrinthine alleyways of Tianzifang, each location a testament to the city's vibrant and diverse art scene. We've seen that beneath Shanghai's modern skyscrapers and bustling streets, a rich tapestry of artistry thrives, a blend of the historical and the contemporary. We've marveled at the West Bund, where cutting-edge designs meet traditional art forms, creating a fusion that's as unique as the city itself. We've witnessed how the city's art scene serves as a mirror, reflecting its past, while also projecting its future aspirations. In essence, Shanghai is not just a city, it's a living, breathing canvas where every stroke tells a story, every color evokes an emotion. Shanghai, A city where the old and new coexist, where tradition meets innovation and where every corner holds a hidden art treasure waiting to be discovered.